How's it going? It's a nice Sunday where we are in North Georgia, and kids are out playing and stuff. I'm using yet another excuse to stay outside and not be inside doing anything productive. So we just got done washing the truck, and something I noticed, it's kind of on my mind every time I walk up to the back side of the truck. You know, I see this little dealer tag or this little logo, you know, like, oh, this is where Adam went to get the truck. And I kind of hate when dealerships do that. They all do it. But then I got to thinking, well, if I'm going to pop that off, maybe we should pull this off too, and it'd make the whole back end of the truck look a little cleaner. So if you got 5 minutes, hang out with us, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, to pull this off, we're going to be using this old heat gun that I've got from no telling what project I did, and a little bit of dental floss. And then if you watched one of those Integra videos, we've got another little tool that's going to help us get some of the adhesive off. So let's get this thing heated up and pull it off. Huh. Well, that's cool. We did not need anything for this sticker, but it's so new also, we might not have even needed to heat it up. We definitely will on this SV logo 4x4. This is not the best floss. What I'm gonna do is double it up. Maybe that'll keep it from ripping. There we go. All right, next we're going to use the eraser wheel here. This is pretty cheap on Amazon. This is like made of the same stuff that like pencil erasers are made of, and so we're just gonna use it to slowly get this adhesive off here. This is just glue, some of it. Like I said, it's a fairly new vehicle, so I can pull a lot of this off probably by hand, but eventually we're going to get to a point where we're going to have to use something else. And obviously the older your vehicle is, it could take you a good while, but we just want to make sure we're not staying right on it. This thing is abrasive. Well, it's not abrasive, it's rubbing against this, so that's going to cause friction, and obviously that's going to cause heat, and we don't want that. So we're just going to work our way around trying to move it, and let's go. All right, get this dried off. You know, I didn't even hit the other side with the eraser wheel at all. I just took it off, and I don't know, that one didn't really have the same kind of adhesive that this logo had on it. You see there, I'm trying to dry the water off, but my towel is still wet from washing the truck, and then boom. Looks pretty decent to me. No, what you guys think? A little bit cleaner on the back end. Out of that sunlight, I think it looks all right. I'll take it. So that's a wrap for today. We're gonna have a bunch of stuff coming at you with this. I'm having to hold myself back because man, I'm wanting to go crazy on this, but it's just not wise at the moment. So you guys just keep your eye on the lookout. Keep on the lookout, whatever. Stay tuned. We'll have a bunch of stuff coming up on this as we get to it, but I hope you guys have a good week, and thanks for hanging out with us. Y'all take care.